For the world premiere at the 2018 Geneva Motor Show, the new BMW G02 X4 was introduced with two colors, Flamenco Red and Sophisto Grey. The latter also comes paired with the M Sport X package and a 4-cylinder gasoline engine. In the case of the BMW X4 M Sport X, the sporty elements of the M Sport package are provided with off-road accents to give the SAC a rustic, sporty appearance. To achieve this look, the G02 X4 also receives various design elements on the front and rear aprons, alongside skirts in frozen grey. A matte grey finish also enhances the front of the kidney's struts. In addition, special wheels in the double-spoke design, which are available with 19 and 20 inches in diameter, and in Ferric Grey or Orbit Grey. Inside the cabin, the new BMW X4 G02 hardly differs from its brother, the X3. Only the slightly lower headroom in the rear and the trunk pay tribute to the dynamic coupe-roof line. The high-quality cockpit and some nice details, like the embossed X4 logo on the B-pillar, are known from the X3. With the M Sport X package, TH4 receives, in addition to the standard equipment, an M leather steering wheel and ambient light. The high-quality leather upholstery Vanasco with decorative quilting and active seat ventilation comes with an extra charge. The BMW X4 xDrive 30i has 252 horsepower and a maximum torque of 350 Nm, which is enough to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 6.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 240 km/h. Like the other X4 variants, the xDrive 30i is also equipped as standard with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive xDrive, including performance control. The prices for the X4 with 252 horsepower petrol engines start at €56,300. The M Sport X package climbs the base price to €61,100.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.